Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. As the title suggests, today's video is all about the double peg grind. I chose to do this on a rail instead of a ledge just to make it a little bit more fun. I think a rail adds to the challenge. So as for picking a rail, I would choose one that's not too high, something you're very comfortable with or think you're comfortable with. Probably the lower the better, just make sure your wheels actually clear the ground. As with most grinds, you want to approach the rail at a slight angle. You want to hop high enough for your pegs to get onto the rail. You don't want to overdo the hop because your wheels will actually go over the rail instead. I've had that happen a couple times. Before you actually land on top of the rail, you want to have your bike leveled out as much as possible. However you lean your upper body, that's the way you're gonna go. So whatever way your upper body leans, that's basically the way you're gonna go. So if you lean too much over the rail, you're gonna have to hop off the bike. So I would suggest you try to lean towards the side you eventually want to get off. It all comes down to trying to keep your balance. It's going to be different every situation, so I'm not going to be able to explain how you have to keep your balance. It just comes down to a lot of practice. So to get out of the grind, you want to pull back on the handlebars at a slight angle off the rail. It's not a very complicated trick, it's actually very fun to practice, so have fun with it, practice it a lot. As with all how-to videos, I would like for you guys to leave a comment down below of whatever trick you want to learn next, and I'll add it to the list to make a video out of it. Thanks again for watching. And remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and everything that goes along with all this YouTube stuff.